Founded in 2009, Shanyo Electric Company Limited is specialized supplying wire harness, cable assembly, power cords, and mechanical equipment's cable, which widely used in home appliances, medical devices, communication, industrial control devices, and other electric products, as well as a wide variety of custom products. In addition, our fabrication service includes custom PCBA solution, electromechanical assembly, and box build assembly. We also focus on expanding our business to the development and design and sale of power supply, inverter, and solar products. Our ISO 9001 certificated factory in China mainland has a staff about 100 and 1,000 square meters of production space, 2 complete production lines with auto cutting and crimping, molding, auto flat cable crimping assembled and test equipments. The seasoned engineers and skilled employees can meet your outsourcing of special requirements and provide reliable products timely with strictly products test. Moreover, quality control has deeply rooted into our company culture. We are able to meet both high volume and low mix or low volume and high mix cable assembly demands for various industries. Through our efforts, our products are exported to North America, Europe, Eastern Asia, South Asia, Africa, and we are continuing to develop our foreign markets now. Sincerely hope we can cooperate for mutual benefit in near future.